Hello guys. As you all know, we have started a Python series on this channel. Today we are going to show you the installation process of Python. So for installation process of Python, you have to open your web browser. Any you can use Microsoft Edge as well as Google Chrome or any browser you can use, and just you have to search Python and uh, you have to click on the this first link, python.org, and then you can see the download option here. Download option here. So now new version, latest version is the 3.14.3, and also you can download it from here also. So we will download it from here for Windows, and after installation we will click on this exe file, and after that, you can see here the important thing. You can see the important two checkboxes. You have to select the both checkboxes. Uh, the first one let you add admin privileges for your Python executable files, and second one add the Python path to your environment variable. Uh, that means you can open your and execute your command from your command prompt. Okay, and then uh, you can see here I will install the Python, then it will directly store on this and this path. So I don't want to store the path on this path. So I will select customize location, and then I will select next, and then I will select this, and I will remove this program files. Okay, so after doing this, our Python will directly store in C drive. I want to store my Python in C drive. That's why I have done. Otherwise, you can add your path as well also. Install. And after installation, uh, this will give you a pop-up, and you have to select just yes. You are done with the installation process. So you have to just close this windows, and then you have to search here Python in your search bar. So you can see the Python has installed. Wait, let me show you once again. Python. So you can see that Python ideally and Python terminal has been installed. Uh, these install automatically when you install Python. So ideally is a basically graphical user interface using which you can develop your Python script. And this is Python terminal. So let's open that. It is basically Python REPL. You can also change your font size. So let's see. I will add 5 plus 5. My Python is working or not. So you can see my Python is working in REPL. So we will print hello world. So print is basically inbuilt function of Python. We are not going depth into it. So you can see the output print here. So let's do this same thing with the ideally. So let's search ideally, and after that, and it is a graphical user interface for developing Python script. So you can also use that your Python script here also. You can see the output, and same thing. We will perform the hello world. Uh, so don't think the what is the inbuilt function in Python. We will go into depth later on. So you can see your Python file, Python script is running. So for creating new file, you have option here. Right? We can also use 5 plus 5 and then uh, print hello world. So you will type print 5 plus 5 also print, and then we will give this file a name. And we'll save this file. Uh, we'll save this file on desktop. We will create new file. So we will click on the folder and we will save it as python.test. Okay, and we will name our file name will be test.py. Py is basically extension of the Python. So we will save this and we will execute this run module. So you can see the output 10 print and the hello world. Okay, so that's how ideally used. And you can also use command prompt for the Python script. You just have to first we will check the Python version. So for checking Python version, you just have to type Python space hyphen hyphen version. So it will show you which version of the Python is installed in your system. And also you can create here like ideally. So you can see the output here. So we have to print hello world. Sorry, hello world. So you can see the output. So you can see here for entering it, you just have to type with exiting it. You just have to type with from exiting this Python scripting file, and also you can use your scripting file which we have saved uh, on desktop python.test file. So for that you have to just type cd and then you have to copy the path. Hold on. You just have to copy as path and then you have to control V and then enter. So I will test.py. So you can see the output here, which was in our test.py file. So you just have to change directory and then copy the path of your folder and then enter. So you will see the output here or 10 and hello world, which was in our test.py folder. So that's how command prompt work. I will show you one more time. So you have to just change the directory and paste your path of the that Python file, scripting file, and you have to just press the enter. So you can see here the output, which was in the test.py file. So that's how Python works. And later on we will use VS Code, the installation part of the code editor. So we are going to use VS Code editor for Python script. So we will type just VS Code download and on your web browser. You can use any other web browser. So you can see your download Visual Studio Code Windows. So it is an open source. So here I have to download for Windows. So once you are done with the install download, you just have to open that folder and you can see here some checkboxes. So you have to use that. I have to accept. I accept the agreement. You have to click the first checkbox and then you have to just click next, next, next. Oh, hold on. You have to select the. I will select this create a desktop icon. So basically from this, the icon will be on my desktop, nothing else, and then install. And we'll wait for the installation. So we will just click finish after installation, and then we will refresh first to our system, and then we will open VS Code. And after opening, you can select. You have to download one extension, which is Python. Without this, you cannot. You will unable to run. So I have already installed that Python extension. So that's why here it is visible. So I will select here folder. I will select my python.ts, and then I will execute. I want to execute this file. I will just which was in my previous video. You have to just run. So you can see the output 10 and hello world. Also, we can do something else with this. I will let you know what is the print function. So print is basically used for printing any kind of messages. Suppose I have to print any kind of messages. So so it is it will display the message in the terminal. So it is basically inbuilt function. We will study the inbuilt function later, but just remember that print is a function which is used to display the any messages in terminal. And after executing, uh, getting some kind of error. Hold on. So you can see the output any kind of messages. So that's how print works. So thank you for the day. See you in the next video.